Hello guys and welcome. Today is an exciting day because we are going to be styling my kitchen using some really practical items. The kitchen area is one of those areas that gets super greasy, so it is really important to choose wisely on the things that you're going to be styling it with. And as you guys know, I'm sort of more of a provincial, I would say that's my style. I love a bit of Hamptons. I also do really like that modern organic as well with the natural tones and textures and products. So I'm going to be doing that today. As some of you guys know, I am in that bit more of a minimalistic journey in my life. So I do want to be using items that I'm actually going to be using, and I don't have any room for that catering sort of type products, so that is definitely what I'm looking and styling with today. But I'm going to be sharing some really good styling tips of what you may be able to style your kitchen with also. So before I start styling the kitchen, I'm just going to give it a really quick clean. I do love using my degreaser and just a little bit of dish soap and water to clean everything up with. Besides my amazing degreaser product, I also love using Jif on my kitchen sink. It always makes the area look so shiny and polished and really like new again. So while I'm actually cleaning the area, I thought I would share with you some of my kitchen styling tips. So first of all, is just to be really cohesive with the adjoining areas. So mine is open living, so I've got the dining and the living room adjoining. And you would have seen from my makeover videos that I've done not too long ago, I've been using a lot of greens, whites, and the woods. So that is the colors I'm going to be following in this area today. The next tip I have for you is just to look at your lifestyle. So if you are a wine drinker, maybe an entertainer, maybe you're a baker, these things are the things that I would be styling with today, because these are things that you're going to be using all the time and you're going to be constantly, using them and washing them, and you can put them through the dishwasher and it's going to be really easy for you to maintain. It's not going to be something that's just going to be, covered in oil all the time. That's going to be really hard for you to clean. Like, you've got an oven for that, you've got a range to it. You don't need to put some useless things on the counter that are going to, attribute to more cleaning. Next of all is to decorate in threes. So they often say just to decorate in the odd numbers like 3s and 7s. Personally, I just like to keep it simple, and I do like to decorate in 3s just because we've got enough things to clean in our homes already. Obviously, be practical. I'm saying it throughout the whole entire video, and that is definitely my number one tip of the day, I'm going to say. This is exactly why I love a Jif on the sinks. Look at that. I know it's not perfect, but guys, that was that yucky yellowy orangey colour before, and this one's completely come off. So good, so good. And I haven't dried it yet, so it would look nicer once I polished it. Yay! My kitchen is clean and we are ready to get styling. Mind the ugly look of my bed today. I have a little man here. A little man, don't I? Who likes to sleep on my bed. So I don't want all my doona to get yucky and fluffy, do I? Hey? Yeah. Anyway, let's start this. So before I start styling the kitchen, I thought I'd share with you a little mini haul of exactly what I'm going to be using today, in hopes that it gives you a little bit of inspiration of how you can style your kitchen if that's what you're wanting to do. So one of my biggest tips is going to be just to really think outside the box. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples. This is actually a hand towel. Yep. And I'm going to be using it as a tea towel. I did end up getting some beautiful tea towels a while ago from Adairs, and I absolutely loved them, and they were just really soft and fluffy like a real towel. And ever since, I've just been getting hand towels if I can't find the colours and patterns that I like. So they can be a little bit more expensive, but if you're going to places like Kmart and that, you can pick them up for like $4 or $6, and I find them so much better. Like, they don't just move water around the joint. So This is one of the ones I got. It's actually a bamboo one, and it is called Ribbed Snow. So that's that one. They did have a sale at the moment, so I think I got 2 for $34, which is actually pretty pricey. I probably should have just headed to Kmart. The other one was this one here, which is like an olivey sort of green. The Mosta texture towel. I hope that I'm saying it right. But yeah, it's just got these beautiful like little arrow sort of herringbone kind of type print on it. The next one that I have quickly is this little this little jug here. This one here, I do have plants in it at the moment. These plants were from Adairs. I don't know if they still have them. And this jug here was from When and Where Living. The brand is Rayel, Rayell, if anyone wants to look it up. I also got this guy here. This is from Kmart. This was $29. It's an absolute steal. I love these, and if you know the prices on these, you can pay like $100 for one of these. This is a smaller one though. The one that I really wanted was from Provincial Living, but it was just massive. Like it would have taken up the entire width of my bench top. These are another 2 items I'm going to say to think outside the box with. So this is actually a jewelry holder. I'm not going to be using this, but I'm just using this as an example. You could definitely use a jewelry holder as a cup stand as long as it's going to hold that weight. And this one here is marble with metal. I can't tell you where it's from because I actually bought this secondhand from like a garage sale. This one here is called the Philippa Tea Light Candle Holder. Again, I'm not using it as a candle holder. This one here is from Provincial Living, my absolute favorite shop in the world. This guy here from Big W. It's just called a ceramic vase, bowl vase. It's from the brand Open Nook. I can't remember how much it was. I'm going to say about $12 to $15. Sorry, it is a bit dirty inside. I don't know if they sell it anymore. And the idea is when I'm like doing catering and stuff, I can take this along to put like cupcakes and things on it, and then I can put my fruit back into this bowl. So these are some of the floral things that I'm going to be putting in it. They're just some leaves. I got these from Spotlight. They weren't cheap. They were $15 each. If I didn't have a voucher, I wouldn't have bought them. I won't lie. But I still really, really like them. I just think that they are super pricey for what they are. I would wait for a sale, to be honest. These are another item that I got. These are those brass teaspoons. They are absolutely stunning. They come in the 3-pack like this. You've probably seen heaps of people use these on Instagram for styling and stuff like that. And then I have my catering platters. This one here is from the brand called Assemble, and it is a marble and wood toned. And then I also have this one here from the Maxwell Williams brand. And this one here I did get from Harris Scarf actually. And Harris Scarf had these super cheap. I reckon I only paid like $20 or $30 for this, and it is a giant. So it's the Maxwell Williams brand, and it's really, really beautiful. These ones here are from Provincial Living, and I love them. They're beautiful, they're minimalistic, but that's not the actual reason why I have these. I have these because they smell amazing. And then I have a tray, which is a terrazzo tray, which is from Kmart. This one here I don't believe is still in stock, but I think they've got similar in stock. I have some fake greenery. This one here was from a pot that I got from Adairs ages ago when I pulled all the greenery out. And I always style with it, I love it. This one here is my other one that I have to style with because my daughter made this for me from her envelope for Mother's Day, and I loved it so much I had to frame it. So if I don't put this one back into the kitchen, she's going to kick my butt because it was already in the kitchen. So that is pretty much all of the things that I'm styling with today. And now I'm just going to head off into the kitchen area and we are going to see how it all gets put together.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna
the kitchen looks all together, and I'm super happy with how it's turned out. I am absolutely loving it. This is super practical. I have my coffee and Milo here, some teaspoons in there, and I will be always washing and refilling all of these. These are just backups of breakfast cereal, so I will end up using what's in the pantry, and then I'll put this back in the pantry and then use them, so it'll never ever get oily, and I can just rotate between jars. So that's just a way of keeping it practical but also being able to maintain it at the same time. The only things I've really got to worry about cleaning is a picture frame here and this one here. I purposely put this one in the corner. Yes, I know it's right next to the cooktop, because I can literally just grab this when I'm doing a heap of cooking and get rid of it, so it's not going to get all gross and oily. When I do eventually get an island bench, I'll probably just move that to the island bench. Again, I have used my English Pear wash and hand sanitizer over here because I absolutely love it. And then I've just got this little arrangement here. So now I actually have platters for when I have like Christmas and birthdays and things like that, because I just use my dinner plates normally, and I don't like to use throwaway things. I'm pretty sustainable like that. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. I can swap this out for fresh flowers if I do have some as well, and use that in a practical manner. But this is just how it looks. I love it. It's not cluttered, it is practical, and it is pretty, and yeah. So in the next coming weeks, I'm going to do a couple of vlog videos. I kind of miss doing vlogs, but I'm not sure what the future looks like for this channel, whether I just get rid of vlogs and just do DIY stuff and like organizing and decorating like type stuff. But then I don't think I'll have enough videos for that, to do that. So anyway, I just think that maybe that's just what people want. So let me know what you guys want. I might even put a poll on the community tab so you guys can let me know what you want, and we can go from there. But yeah, I thought I'd just pop a few vlogs in after this next week. But yeah, and go from there. So I hope you've all enjoyed. If you do have any video requests, please send them through. I will definitely take those into account, and I'm going to catch up with you guys next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.